Welcome back to the Fit Survivor channel. So it's been a while since I've shown some of the custom Swiss Army knives that I build. And so today I have a Dragonox Cybertool Surgeon. So I'll explain that name here in just a second. But anyways, if you have not seen these before, these are basically custom Swiss Army knives. Do a bunch of modifications to them. So we're going to start with the scales. So first of all, these are titanium. And if you get the light just right, you can see that it has a bit of a Damascus pattern here on these. Now, these have been basically blasted and flamed. That's why the titanium is like this nice dark gray color. And then you also see this has been peened shut externally. You see the brass right there. On the back, we've added a titanium deep carry pocket clip. And so a fairly large build here, but I'll show you the tool set. It's really cool. So I've removed the original blades, the large blade, the small blade, replaced them with the bottle and can opener right here above the corkscrew where the original blades usually go. Also worth noting, you can see that I've used black G10 for the liners, and the tools have been acid etched and aluminum washed. So this is the Spyderco Dragonfly 2 blade. Of course, been modified to fit here in this 91mm Swiss Army knife. All right, we've added a wood saw, which you won't find a stock Cybertool with the wood saw, unless you go for the Cybertool Lite, which Dragonox does not have it either. Anyways, so this is the bit driver from the Cybertool. So you got the bit holder there. See the tools still are nice and snappy. So you have the pliers. So Dragonox pliers are really cool actually. Maybe don't have a large grip, but they do have a very fine point there, which is great even for like using almost like tweezers sometimes. All right, then behind that we have the scissors. And recently I was asked if the acid etching makes the scissors any duller. Should we go and show this to you real quick? Because you'd expect that the acid etching would make the scissors dull, but it actually has no effect on the scissors at all. So that's some cardstock there. This is the back of a Stinger, and so it's kind of hard to cut with the dull scissors. You can see absolutely no problem cutting with the scissors after they've been acid etched. So the scissors are basically like self-sharpening, and so after acid etching, you do that a couple times, and then they are sharp once again. That's pretty cool. All right, the next thing up, this is the Havalon scalpel holder. Of course, also has been modified to fit here in this 91mm Swiss Army knife. Cool thing about this, you can pop these off just like that. There's actually a special removal tool as well. Anyways, you can pop those off and pop on a new sharp one once this gets dull. All right, then on the back, have the corkscrew. I already showed you that. And the parcel hook here, the back of the scissors. So that is basically it for this tool. Of course, we added some black accessories, the black tweezers here, and the black pig, just to stick to the blacked out kind of design here. So anyways, that is it for this Dragonox Cybertool Surgeon. And so if you guys would like to see how I make these knives, I'm working on a video where I'm going to be making the limited edition 93mm and 58mm knives. I'm going to show the entire process of taking them apart, modifying them, and showing how I basically do some mods. I'll be adding a Dragonfly blade to this. I'll be adding a Honeybee blade, also a Spyderco, to the 58mm knife. But anyways, that'll be coming in the next month or so. So be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see how I do these custom builds. I'll be showing kind of the process and all of that. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.